This is Dr. Carroll, and this is another video in the list series. This video is about list deletion. So let's start with the syntax. So the syntax is we have del space. So we're going to use delete, and then we specify the list name. Now if we just do this, it'll act, if we interpret just this line as it is, it'll be as if Python never declared that list. And so that's not going to work. So we need to just delete an element from that list. So then we provide the square brackets to indicate which index it is that we're going to delete, and then provide that index. So here this deletes an element from the list, and which element? The element at index I. So let's look at a demo. If we had a fruits list with mango, spondius mobin, banana, and kiwi, we could display that and we'd see that. But what if we wanted to delete kiwi? We wanted to remove it. And then we can display the list again to verify that it truly was deleted. So here we have that setup. Running it, notice we have our list before and then our list after, and it removed that. And we can remove any of these items. It doesn't have to be the last one. It could be the third one, and we could remove that one just as easily. There we go. That's it for this video. Check out my other videos in this series.